Switching to a career with the United Nations can feel like aiming for the top of an international mountain, challenging but incredibly rewarding. For many mid-career professionals, the UN represents an opportunity to make a global impact.
The good news?
Many professionals successfully transition into the UN system every year, often without prior UN experience. The key is understanding how to position your skills and navigate the recruitment process strategically. Step 1. Map your experience to UN values and job needs. Your CV alone isn't enough. The unhiring process looks for clear alignment with its core values and the exact competencies listed in each job posting. Use UN terminology and tailor your application language to reflect this. Step 2. Learn the UN application process. Applications are submitted through Inspira, the UN's e-recruitment platform. Completing your personal history profile accurately is essential. Step 3. Gain international exposure. Short-term assignments abroad, regional projects, or cross-border work can strengthen your profile and show that you can work in diverse international contexts. Step 4. Build your UN network. Attend events, connect with UN professionals on LinkedIn, and join relevant communities to better understand the system and stay informed about opportunities. By strategically aligning your experience, gaining exposure, and building connections, you can successfully make the leap into a UN career. If you want UN expert advice and guidance for your transition, the United Career Coalition can help. Book a 45-minute video call with a UN career expert to review your application, practice interview techniques, and create a tailored strategy for your UN career. Learn more today via the unitedcareercoalition.org and take the next step toward your international career goals. Book a 45-minute consultation on the United Career Coalition website and take the next step toward the international career you're aiming for.